morning children. Rohana ma'am has come back to teach you Hindi from today. So today we will be doing lesson number 5. I think Sheila ma'am had already finished lesson number 4 with you all, in which you all had to learn about tu, tum and aap. Fine. So today I will be doing this lesson number 5 on page number 17. Children who have the textbook can just relate to it. So in this we will be learning the terminology or the way how we use the Hindi words of iska, inka, uska, unka. So iska means, children, here iska can mean when you are talking to your friend, like you will say, like if I ask Saad, beta ye kiska cheez hai, तो you will say ma'am ये उसका, like उसका मैंने ये साथ कैन से ये मुस्कान का है, तो नाम लेने के बजाय आप बोलोगे यह उसका है. You can point out to the person and say this is theirs. So it is his or hers. In the word इसका you say this person, his or hers. इसका है, किसका है, इसका है. तो मैंने जब कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा यह पेंसिल किसका है, तो तुम बोलोगे मैम यह इसका है. इसका मैंने इट कैन बी मुस्कान, इट कैन बी मेरी, इट कैन बी एनीबडी इन योर क्लास. करेक्ट. सो यह फर्स्ट सेंटेंस दे हैव गिवन एग्जांपल, यह रमेश है. सो इफ आई से दिस इज रमेश, यह इसका घर है. सो this is Ramesh, this is his house, this is his house. So in that same manner, if I say यह साद है, साद, then I'll say यह साद का स्कूल है. यह साद का स्कूल है means यह इसका school है. So you can say like that. You can point out to Saint Alphonsus and say this is Saad's school, इसका school. So iska can be termed as his or hers, something belonging to his or her. That is iska. Now the second sentence we come to, ye adhyapak hai. So if I say ye adhyapak hai means you have to say this is a teacher. This is a teacher. Now children, teacher means elder to you, correct? They are not your age, so you have to talk to them with respect, correct? तो आप मैंने कुछ रिस्पेक्ट दे के बात करोगे टीचर से. तो सेकेंड सेंटेंस में हमने यहाँ बोला यह इनका घर है. यह इनका घर है मीन्स दिस इज द टीचर्स हाउस. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग टीचर you will say यह, or you can say like if I translate this in English, यह इनका घर है मीन्स this is his house, the teacher's house. In English it will come as his, but you in Hindi inka means with little respect, with respect for another elder person. You are talking with respect to another elderly person. So inka, you won't say iska for an elderly person. Then the third sentence, again it is the same like iska. वह सीता है, मधु उसका भाई है. This picture over here, यह वह सीता है, मधु उसका भाई है. उसका again over here depends on इसका, उसका means depends on girl, his or her depending on the person talking, his or her. उनका नाम रामदास है. Here again you are talking to an elderly person. राजू उनका बेटा है. राजू is the son of Ramdas. So obviously Ramdas will be an elderly person. So whenever you talk to an elderly person, you use the word unka, inka. You use the word with respect, unka, inka. So this, children, this is already given here. I just want to tell you the difference between iska means this or his or her. Then when we say inka, you are talking about an elderly person with little respect. You use the word inka. Uska again is also termed with his and her. And again unka means you are talking about an elderly person, about them having something. So this is basically, it's already in this page. So you can all go through this. I've just explained how you use the terms iska, inka, uska, unka. So that's on page number 17. Children, coming to the exercise, here I have written the exercise which is on the back of the lesson. The first, Khali Stan Bharo. So we have to just fill in the blanks. In Khali Stan Bharo means fill in the blanks. So dash is iska ghar hai. So dash iska ghar hai. What will we write here? We will write according to the lesson. It will come yah इसका घर है, यह इसका घर है, यह इसका घर है. सेकेंड वन, यह इनका डैश है, यह इनका डैश है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन. यह इनका घर है अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेसन. देन यह डैश भाई है, यह उसका व्हाट विल कम हियर, उसका भाई है, यह उसका भाई है. द डैश नाम रामदास है, उनका नाम रामदास है. So this children, I have solved the fill in the blanks for you all. You all can easily look in the board, look in the video, and then do that in your house. Now make sentences for. Now children, this abhyas, whatever I am doing on the board, this which is on in your textbook, this you have to write it in your classwork note. Fine, you will have to write all this in your classwork note neatly. I will write it here, write in classwork note. Okay children, you have to do this in your classwork note. Then next, अध्यापक की सहायता से वाक्यों में प्रयोग करो. So you have to use this in sentences. So if I say इसका what word you can use? You can say इसका घर पास में है. It's a new sentence Mrs. made up. इसका घर पास में ही है. इसका घर पास में ही है means his house is close by. Next is the word इनका नाम क्या है. You can ask इनका नाम क्या है. What is this person's name? You can say इनका नाम क्या है. So you are asking a question. What is this name? What is this person's name? Or somebody elder to you. इनका नाम क्या है. उसका नाम रामू है. ओके. नाउ उनका गाना अच्छा था. उनका गाना अच्छा था. Okay, so Miss has just written these sentences. You can look in the board, or you can make your own sentences, and you can write. I'm giving you the liberty. You can make your own sentences. Take the help of somebody and write. I have just given you normal means very simple sentences. This has to be done in your classwork note, children. After that, you have to learn to speak by using these 4 terminologies. Iska, inka, uska, unka. You have to use in your while speaking in Hindi, and try to use it in words, in sentences. Fine children, do only this homework in your classwork note. Take a picture and then send it to Rohana ma'am, to me. This is on page number 18. That's the exercise on page number 18 here, on the back of page number 17. So do this and send the picture to Rohana ma'am and WhatsApp. I'll check it and get back to you. Fine children, thank you.